You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Investors have long expected the Chinese authorities to adopt large-scale incentives to improve the economic situation. Although the measures announced on Tuesday are not drastic, they could be an important step towards recovery. The People's Bank of China has announced new monetary policy measures. Among other things, the regulator has reduced the rate of mandatory reserves for banks by 50 basis points, which should free up additional funds for lending and support the economy. Amid the news from China, the Australian dollar also strengthened after the Reserve Bank of Australia left interest rates unchanged on Tuesday, in line with market expectations, and reiterated the need for strict monetary policy to combat inflation. This decision came a week after the U.S. Federal Reserve began actively easing its policy. The regulator's tough approach led to an increase in the Australian dollar by 0.4% to $0.6864, the highest level this year. The probability of a rate cut in December also decreased to 59% from the previous 64% registered before the meeting. Also, oil prices rose on Tuesday. The market growth comes amid reports of the introduction of new economic incentives in China, the largest importer of oil, as well as concerns that the escalation of the conflict in the Middle East could disrupt supplies from key oil-producing regions. An additional factor is the approach of a powerful hurricane to the coast of the United States, the largest oil producer in the world. November Brent crude futures rose 69 cents, or 0.93%, to $74.59 per barrel. US WTI futures rose 74 cents, or 1.05%, to $71.11 per barrel. And now to the crypto market. Over the past 52 weeks, the number of Bitcoin wallets containing 1,000 or more coins has increased by almost 3.5%. At the same time, the number of wallets holding 0.0001 BTC or less increased by 75%. At first glance, these data indicate growth in both the upper and lower segments. However, a more detailed analysis shows that the middle class of Bitcoin owners, those who hold from 1 to 10 Bitcoins, is shrinking. Meanwhile, the price is held below the $65,000 mark, in anticipation of new catalysts of movement. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.